Welcome to this video tutorial on the topic of partial scan with Cerec PrimeScan. With PrimeScan, scanning is easy and straightforward. Without any special scan strategy, very good results can be achieved. If you don't have a preferred scan workflow yet, this is a scan strategy for a partial scan that is easy to learn and works well. We have already set up our patient and the indication. We are now in the acquisition phase. The three default image catalogs, lower jaw, upper jaw, and buccal, are displayed at the lower edge of the screen, and we are going to start with the scan of the lower jaw. The scan of a quadrant can be realized with just 2 sweeps. The starting point of the respective quadrant is incisal, centered at the level of the central incisors. After the first image data are displayed, we sweep our PrimeScan by 45 degrees to the lingual and scan the lingual area of the respective quadrant up to the final distal tooth. At this point, we sweep the PrimeScan above the occlusal area to the vestibular and scan with an angle of 45 degrees the vestibular area back to the starting point. Missing scan data can be rescanned at the end. Next, we move to the upper jaw image catalog. Since this scan is identical to the first scan of the lower jaw, we skip the scanning sequence, and you will see the final scanned upper jaw. Finally, we switch to the buccal image catalog. We scan vestibular on the site of the prepared tooth and sweep the scanner at this spot from gingiva to gingiva until the image catalog of both the upper and the lower jaw appears in the background. Make sure to capture enough gingiva from both the upper and lower jaw. As soon as a small green box with a checkmark appears, the Cerec software has merged both 3D models into a bite occlusion. After finalizing the acquisition phase, we can switch to the next phase, the model phase, either by tapping the arrow to the right at the lower edge of the screen or on the phase bar. Thank you very much for your attention. We would like to wish you every success when working with Cerec.